When Lord Ganesh comes into your life, know that he is one of the most important gods in Vedic belief system. Lord Ganesh is also known as Ganesh Ganapati Ekadanta. He is known to be the patron of writers, students, travelers, and is widely called as the Lord of New Beginnings. As such, he is honored at the start of every ceremony and ritual. He is the son of Lord Shiva and Goddess Parvati. He is known to grant success, prosperity, and protection to all his devotees, saving them from adverse conditions. He is the remover of obstacles in one's life. To work with the blessings of Lord Ganesh and to eliminate the problems out of your life, recite the following mantra 3 times with devotion and ensure a positive flow of energy around you. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva, Mata Jaki Parvati, Pita Mahadeva. Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha, Jai Ganesha Deva.